What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enter codes in Sonic Speed Simulator on your mobile device as well as on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, on your mobile device or PC, open up Roblox and join a Sonic Speed Simulator server. After loading into the game, navigate to the shop and click on Redeem Codes. From here, you can proceed to enter codes and redeem items. You can get different and updated codes from the game developers on their Twitter accounts, or discover a complete list of all working codes in my complete guide linked in the description below. You can then proceed to enter all of the codes one by one to see how many work or might be expired. Redeemed items will be immediately available in-game. On your mobile device, you can follow the same steps. Simply head to the in-game shop and tap on Redeem Codes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.